In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unlock an Atom card. If you've locked or frozen your card because it was misplaced or you wanted an extra layer of security, and now you're ready to use it again, this walkthrough will take you from start to finish with clear, simple steps. Start by launching the Atome app on your phone. Give it a moment to load and make sure you're on a stable internet connection so everything refreshes properly. If you're prompted to log in, sign in using your usual method. Depending on your settings, you might be asked to verify your identity with a passcode or biometrics. This is normal and helps keep your account secure. If it's been a while since you opened the app, it's a good idea to update to the latest version first for the smoothest experience. Once you're in the app, look along the bottom of the screen for the navigation bar and tap the Card tab. It typically looks like a small card icon and leads to everything related to your Atome card, status, settings, and security controls. Give the page a second to load fully so you'll see the most current card status. On the card screen, look for a control labeled Lock Card or Freeze Card. The wording can vary slightly depending on your app version or region, but it serves the same purpose. When this control is turned on, your card can't be used for purchases, which is perfect when you want to prevent unauthorized transactions. You'll usually see a toggle switch or a status indicator that makes it clear the card is currently locked. To unlock your card, switch that toggle to off. You may notice the switch slide to the opposite side and change color, or the status text may update from locked to active. Some versions of the app may show a brief confirmation prompt. If you see one, confirm that you want to proceed. After a moment, the card should be active again and ready for normal use in stores and online. If the change doesn't appear right away, refresh the screen or wait a few seconds for the status to update. If you can't find the card tab or the lock freeze option, double check that your app is updated and that you're signed into the correct account. Features can differ by card type or region, so if the toggle still isn't visible, use the in-app help to reach support for guidance. And a quick reminder, only unlock your card if you're confident it's safe to use. If your card is still missing or you suspect fraud, keep it locked and contact support. That's it. Your Atome card should now be unlocked and ready to go. Thanks for watching. For